So first of all, when we moved in, it had kind of an old wallpaper in it, saloon doors, just kind of outdated and a little grungy, right? Kind of looked ugly, smelled ugly. So the first thing we did was we took down the wallpaper, got rid of that, and cleaned the walls, put up some nice paint, and we kind of left it there for the moment because we weren't quite sure what we wanted to do overall with the bathroom. So fast forward to when we completely redid our bathroom, and actually this is really what got our whole bathroom remodel started. Because Ryan had the idea, he said, hey, it would look nice and also really help it smell nice in here if we put up these wood panels on the wall. That's gonna give it a really nice look, but also a really nice smell going on in there. So we went forward with it and we ended up redoing not only this space, but the majority of our bathroom, as you'll see from our other videos. So some things we did in here though specifically was, obviously we did the wood walls. Ryan's already talked about that in another video. We redid the light fixture, light switches. We did get a new toilet. We went for some shelves at the back just for a little bit of decoration. Basically we redid everything but the flooring. And also, of course, which I really nice, was we added a full door. So we had, like I said, the saloon style doors before, which were kind of pointless. So some things we learned from updating this space. First of all, was that we loved it updated. You don't think about a little nook like this, but it is a crucial part of the master bathroom. It's kind of off by itself in its own room, but we liked that it ended up really fitting with the whole aesthetic of the room. Secondly, always be mindful of where things are with plumbing. So for example, we ended up redoing our shower faucets. You'll see right on the other side of this wall is our shower, and we wanted to update that. We weren't completely redoing the shower or anything like that, but we wanted to update the faucets and the head. Well, it ended up all the plumbing is in this wall right here, which ended up being some very old plumbing. So these boards came right off. We'd already done the boards when we realized we had to get into there, but that was no problem. We took the board off. We had to cut into the wall because of some issues with some old plumbing. And then we didn't really have to worry about what the wall looked like. We just put those wood pieces back up after we secured the drywall. So everything was back to new. But keep in mind, whenever you redo any room in a bathroom, knowing where your piping is and make sure it's accessible not only for you, but for who comes in after you. Another thing we learned was to be careful with small spaces. So you want to make sure that you utilize the space, but you don't make it overcrowded. So you'll notice in this room that we don't have extra things on the floor. We have minimal things on the wall. We tried to go with very simple shelving just to kind of give some contrast and give a little bit of decoration. We have a very, very simple style toilet paper holder, but other than that, there's not a lot going on in this room. It's just kind of there for its purpose. All right, so that's it for this quick video about small space bathrooms, particularly in this one, just a little toilet room. Hope you enjoy. Like, share, comment, and always subscribe so you can keep up with all of our videos, including more videos about this whole bathroom remodel. You can also follow us on Instagram at HomeVeneer.